You want to convert your Snapchat personal account into a public account and you don't know how you can do it? So in today's video, I'll tell you what are the steps which are involved for converting your personal account into a professional account. That means a public account through which you can engage more and more traffic and more views. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before getting into the process, remember your age must be 18 or 18 plus. To opt for a public profile option, if the option doesn't appear in your profile, try updating the app or restarting it. Now, let's get into it. Open the application, tap on profile icon, scroll down the page to find My Public Profile option and tap on it. Here a brief is given about how your public profile is going to work. It says that you can choose your favorite snaps to stay on your profile so that your audience can see them. As your account is public, people can see your snaps before adding you. Your My Story will reach more people. And lastly, you will get insights about your profile performance as well. Moving on, you can edit your profile by adding a cover photo, a bio, and your location, and also show your subscriber count. Don't forget to change some settings, like under the privacy control, change your location's access, who can contact you through snaps and chats, your comments, story view, and so on. You can also share your profile on other platforms to get maximize reach. For this, go to public profile, select preview public option, tap on share button and copy the link. Now you can share this link on other platforms and let people know about your Snapchat public profile. So by following these steps, you can easily convert your private account of your Snapchat into a public account and you can engage more and more audience. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.